Hello dear fashionistas, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thanks for stopping by. If you are new here, please subscribe and click the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload new videos. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how to draft a fitted off-shoulder sleeve. My pattern paper is folded into two because I'll be drafting a sleeve for this tutorial. But if you want to draft the two sleeves together, you will fold your material into four this way. Then you measure from the closed part of your material. So I will start the drafting by marking my starting line. It's very important. Then I will take 4 inches on that starting line. I am marking out 4 inches because I took 4 inches out from my off-shoulder top when I was drafting my off-shoulder. So if you take 5 inches from your top, you should also take out 5 inches on the starting line. If you want to learn how to draft off-shoulder top, I will leave the link in the description box. So the next thing I'll do is to divide my round armhole by 2, which will give me 4.5 inches, and I'll mark it out this way from my starting line downwards. I'll mark it out. After that is done, I'll take my straight ruler and draw a straight line on that 4.5 inches. I'll draw a straight line this way. On the straight line that I drew, I'll take my bicep measurement. My round bicep measurement is 14 inches. 14 divided by 2 will give me 7 inches. Then I'll add 1 inch on both shoulder and bicep measurement for sewing allowance. The next thing I'll do is to connect from the shoulder line down to this bicep measurement using my French curve. You can also use your free hand to do this, but I use French curve for accuracy. Well, you can feel free to use your free hand. The next thing I'll do is to mark out my sleeve length. For this sleeve, I'll be using my 3/4 sleeve length. My 3/4 sleeve length will be 15 inches, and I'll add 1 inch for sewing allowance. After that, I'll take my straight ruler and draw my straight line to mark out my sleeve length. After that, I'll take out my round sleeve measurement. For this sleeve, since it's 3/4, I'll measure out my round 3/4 measurement, and my round 3/4 measurement is 11 inches. 11 divided by 2 will give me 5.5 inches. Then I'll add 1 inch for sewing allowance. After that is done, I'll connect from this bicep measurement straight to my sleeve length this way. I'll use my straight ruler to connect them this way. And my sleeve is ready. The next thing I'll do is to cut. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload new videos. I upload videos at least twice in a week, and you will always learn 1 or 2 things from each video. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more. And feel free to ask your questions in the comment section, or please just type off-shoulder fitted sleeve for me. Thank you.